Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring this video to you. It is another thermal polish video, and I kind of got it requested in the comments of my Black Magic video. So I have two thermal polishes. This one is called Iris. This purple one over here is called Iris. It is my all-time favorite thermal polish. And I had a bottle of it and it died. Oddly enough, it was bought like, I would say a couple of years after the Black Magic one. So it really surprised me that it didn't turn anymore, but that's okay. I love it. It's a beautiful purple polish, and so now I have a beautiful purple polish, but I had to get another bottle. Then I can't just buy one bottle of nail polish. Shipping is not economical that way. So I bought another one. It turned out I ended up with free shipping. So that's pretty cool. And this one is called Costa Rica Dreams. So I'm going to show you these shifting really quick. I'm not going to use this one in a video, but I'll show you both of these on a swatch stick really quick. And then we'll do some Halloween nails with this purple one. Here's what they look like when they're cold. With purple over here. This one's Iris and this one's Costa Rica Dreams. This is the hot water, so I'll stick them in the hot water. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love that color pink. It is so beautiful, and I am so pleased with what did I say it was? Costa Rica Dreams. Look how beautiful that teal is. Yeah, this is favorite. So it's like almost a black, and then a dark purple, and then a teal and a pink. These are going to be so much fun. But right now we're going to use the pink and some Halloween nails, and let's get started with that. Today I'll be using Holo Taco's Scattered Holo Taco and Reflective Taco. And I'll also be using these Saphia and Holo Taco little bat glitters. I will also, since this is no longer available, I'll also give you a link to Glitter Unique. They sell these little bat glitters, and they also sell black hollow bat glitters. I decided I'm going to do two similar nail design looks, and I decided to do one in each of the colors. I'm not sure how this one's going to really turn out for it. I'm going to put 3 coats of Costa Rica Dreams on. This is the second coat. It does look a little sparkly, like there's something in it. Okay, I am going to put 3 coats on. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, so for this first fun manicure, I'm going to put some Scattered Holo Taco on over it. And then wait for that to dry. Next, I'm going to put on some Reflective Holo Taco. I really love adding this to like everything. And when it's still a little tacky, I'm going to be adding these cute bats, which you're kind of not going to see very well. In the black color, but they will show up. Another thing I forgot, these kind of flat. If you have curvy nails, you can kind of like curve it a little bit with your finger, which I just didn't do, so I hope they're not going to stick up on me. You can just bend them a little to carve them out a bit. Okay, I'm just going to do 2 on there. Now I'm going to put a glitter smoothing top coat on because I want to try to make those bat glitters not stick up. So this will probably be the perfect thing for it. And then when this is dry, I'll go in with my finito top coat. And now I'm just going to top it off with finito. And when that's dry, we will test out the thermal change. Okay, so now we're going to go from warm or hot. That's super cute. To cold. And that looks pretty good. And we'll do a little both. So that's it for this fun glitter design. I hope you enjoyed this one. And for the next video, I'm using Orly and Kelly Marissa's Wing It glitter. So I'm putting 3 coats of iris on all of my nails. Here's the second coat. And here's the third coat. This one looks like it has little sparkles in it too. Okay, so here we have iris. And here it is when it is warm and cold. This is my very favorite one. I'm just gonna put this glitter topper over, and it is Wing It, and I got no little bats. No bats. Okay, I think I fished out a bat. I can't tell. The nail polish is too dark. Oh yeah, there's one on there. I probably would have gotten more out if I held the bottle upside down for a bit. I just put a little bit of this glitter right here on my mat, and so I just fished the bats out, but I don't even know if that's upside down or not because I can't see it. My polish is too dark. I probably should have warmed up the polish first, but anyway, we'll take a look and see what it looks like after it dries and I put it back in the water. I'm going to put Glitter's Best Friend on the top just to smooth out those bats. And then I'll follow up with my Maxis top coat. I'll just top everything off with finito. So here we have it warm. And the bats look super cute. And then cold. A little bit of each. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.